right? Now, a lot of you have concept errors. You remember the wrong thing. All right. So after today's lesson, now it's okay to give me wrong answer. I will not be angry. I will only be angry at those students who never give me any answer. All right. So it's okay to make a mistake here. We are all here to learn. However, you cannot take too long to learn. You have to learn it right now. Now the answer is I give you an analogy. If Miss Ivy is a better runner, wow, I can run. I'm a better runner than, let's say, my friend. All right, I'm a better runner. Can you tell me, do I run faster or I run slower? Can you type into the chat? I'm a better runner. All right, because this way is better, right? This way is better. I'm a better runner. Do I run faster or I run slower? Thank you for all the responses. So obviously, all of you are correct. You run faster. Therefore, the answer here is faster. And therefore, here is also faster. Easy to remember now. Please remember it now. Don't wait until the exam comes, your test comes, then you remember. No time. Got so many subjects to learn. All right. So please remember this. If a material is a better heat conductor, now heat conductor, you can say conductor of heat. It's the same meaning. Heat conductor is the same as conductor of heat. So a better heat conductor will gain heat faster and also lose heat faster. All right. So in some cases, it will gain heat. In some cases, it will lose heat depending on the temperature. So always remember, better runner, run faster. Let me write here for you so that it's a memory aid for you. This one is a memory aid. Memory aid means how to help you remember. All right, how to help you memorize better. All right, so a better runner. All right, a person who runs better is definitely faster. All right, any questions so far? Okay, next. No annotation on my slide. Thank you very much. Next, can you everybody type into the chat now? A poorer heat conductor. Now we are doing opposite. Poorer heat conductor gains heat what and also loses heat what? Can everybody type into your chat? Well done, Giselle. Well done, Ying Fang. Well, Jesslyn only gave me one blank. I suppose, right? Maybe you meant it's the same answer. Good job, Jesslyn. C run. Now, C run gave a word that some of you also write the same thing. Now, can you tell me this word slowly? Is it a comparing word? Is it a comparing word? It's not, right? Comparing word means like, better. All right, good, better, best.
ER.
Yes, must have ER. All right. So slowly cannot write slowly. So most of you got it right. Just let me take attendance first. Okay, Jie Ning, let me see. Okay, found your name. Okay. Okay, let me go back to the slides. Okay, now, if you are a poorer heat conductor, it will be all slower. All right, you gain heat slower, you lose heat slower. All right, easy to remember. Okay, so I think a lot of you got the correct answer. All right, well done, Jia Ping. All right, Kaden, well done. Hao Qian got the correct answer. Good job. Kai Han, I suppose you meant two answers are the same. Good. Jia Ping also correct. Just remember, C run cannot write slowly. It's slower. You need a comparing word. Giselle got it right also. Right. Can I write easily for the previous question? What do you mean, Kai Han? Can you unmute yourself? What's your question? Kai Han, what do you mean? Okay, never mind, we continue. Huh?
For the
Oh,
question,
you want me to go back to the previous slide, is it?
yes, can I write easily here?
All right, so this is the first slide. Can you please write it for your own self, your notes? All right, so I'm going to highlight it because it's so important. Better.
Can I write easily in the blank?
You cannot. I already finished writing the answers already, what, Kai Han? So what do you mean? All right, so faster and faster. Gain heat faster, lose heat faster. So if you are a poorer heat conductor, yeah, all right, then everything slower. Let's say you're a poor runner, you're not a good runner. Poor runner, you will run slower, right? Okay, let's move on. Now, heat flows from what place, and then until both places reach the what temperature. Can you all try this? 3 blanks. Give me 3 answers in one line before you enter. All right. Give me 3 blanks answers in one line before you press enter on your keyboard. Okay, no one has given me the answer yet. I'm waiting. Jaslyn, first 2 correct, third one wrong. Jianing, well done. The rest, okay, good job, Jaslyn, correct now. And other than Jaslyn and Jiening, I have so many other students. I should have 14 students. Okay, good job, Yingfang. Giselle, last word is wrong. Good try. Kai Han, same thing. Last word is wrong. All right. The rest, are you trying or not? All I asked for is someone to try. Howie, I don't see your answer. Hui Mei, I don't see your answer. All right, just try. Let's see. Jiaping, perfect answer. Kai Han now is correct. Okay, Giselle is correct. Good job, everyone. Howie, are you there? I don't see a response from you, Howie. Hao Qian is, I don't see a response, right? Okay, can everyone please participate in the lesson? Otherwise, you're wasting tuition money. Your parents have to work very hard, you know, to let you have the tuition session. So please appreciate and, you know, do your best during the session. Caden, first 2 is wrong. Now, Hui Mei, you have a concept error. So never mind. After today, make sure you know it. All right. The answer should be heat always flow from hotter place, all right, to a cooler place. Okay, until both places will reach the same temperature, then no more heat flow. Once both places are of the same temperature, then there's no more heat flow. But if one place is hotter than another one, then heat will always flow from the hotter place to the cooler place. I normally don't write colder because it need not be cold, it's just cooler comparing. That means, for example, I can have both are hot places. Right, let's say both are hot places. So one is 100 degrees Celsius. Then the other one is 98 degrees Celsius. All right, so I have one place 100 degrees Celsius. I have another place 98 degrees Celsius. Both are hot places, you know. So how will heat flow? All right, heat will flow from, can you all type left to right or right to left in this case? Will heat flow like that or will heat flow? Okay, then help me press 1 or 2. Which one is the correct heat flow? All right, good job, Jiaping. Good job, Jaslyn. Giselle, check again. Heat flows from a hotter place to a colder place. All right. Okay, good, Giselle. All right. So yeah, good job, Yingfan. Okay.
Can we write can we replace the place, right? The hotter place or cooler place, that place. Can we replace as region?
Can. All right. So you can change the region. Some textbooks write region, right? So here this is hotter place. This is cooler. All right. So heat will flow like that. Even though both are hot place. So heat flow. Right. So heat will flow from this place to this place. Okay. Now, I would like to introduce you this brand, HL. From now on, we're going to do HL. HL means higher temperature. All right. So heat will flow from a region. Region means place. So this word region, place, you can change it to region. It doesn't matter. All right. So higher temperature, H stands for higher temperature. L stands for lower temperature. I got enough space. So do y'all know there's a brand of milk called HL? Have y'all seen the brand before? HL milk? Yes? HL chocolate milk, got HL coffee milk. All right. My favorite is HL chocolate milk, but I prefer another brand. Okay, so this is a brand of HL. So once you know this HL, you know that heat will always flow from H to L. Or another way to remember, have you seen a waterfall before? Have you seen a waterfall before? Who has seen waterfall before? Mute yourself. Okay, waterfall go this way, right? Yingfan seen it before. Water will go from higher place to lower place, right? Have you seen a waterfall going like that one? Oh, all right. It will not be like this on earth, right? So waterfall must always go from top to bottom, from higher place to lower place. All right. So hotter place to cooler place. All right. Now, can you look at this picture? Can you tell me between so I have ice and then I got a hand. So which one is at higher temperature? Can you type in the chat, ice and hand, which is of a higher temperature? All right, good. Right, so hand, I'm going to write H. So I'm going to write this one, hand is H. Then the ice, I will write L. All right, I don't know whether y'all can see. Maybe I'll use black, then y'all can see better. All right, then let me change it. So you see, hand, I will put H. Ice, I will put L. L stands for lower temperature. H stands for higher temperature. So how will heat flow? Then you go and draw an arrow. Heat always flow from H to L, right? This way. So you will, in this case, I know the heat is flowing from the hand to the ice because heat always flow from the place of higher temperature to another place of lower temperature. H stands for higher temperature. L stands for lower temperature. So once you draw the arrow is always H arrow L. Always like that. H arrow L. Can you tell me who gains heat, who loses? Wrong idea. Look at where my cursor is. Imagine this is the laser pointer is the heat. Heat from the hand is flowing to the ice. Look at my laser pointer again. Heat from the hand is going, flowing to the ice. Therefore, can you tell me ice gain heat or lose heat? Ice is gaining heat. Because heat from the hand will go to the ice. So ice gain heat. Imagine ice like absorb all the heat. Okay, so it should be gain heat. Some of you wrote wrongly. So let me write here, ice gain heat. All right, ice gains heat. Can I put full stop? I will say, you get 0. Can everyone tell me what is missing? Can I put full stop? Ice gains heat. Type in the chat what is missing. I need some more thing. What is missing? Can you type in the chat? Ice gain heat. Good job, Jia Ping. The rest, what is missing here? Ice gain heat. I cannot put full stop. Good job, Jianin, Giselle. So far I got 3 perfect answer. The rest there, I have 14 students there. Right, the rest quickly. Ice gain heat. What is missing? Yingfang, good. So I only got 4 answers. I'm counting how many answers I have. I only got 4 answers. The rest, what is happening? Hui Mei, we are talking about ice and hand here. All right, ice and hand. So don't think of surroundings for this question. Ice and hand. All right, ice temperature and hand temperature, they are different temperature, so there'll be heat flow from one to the other one. Okay, so Hui Mei is not temperature. All right, the rest, it should be ice gain heat from where? Must tell me from where. Ice gain heat from hand. All right, ice gain heat from hand. Good job, Hayden, Hui Mei. All right, yeah. Then now I write the other way. Hand. Now the hand gain heat or lose heat? The arrow was like that, right? It always flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. The heat goes this way. So the hand, is it losing heat or gaining heat? Okay, good job, everyone. Lose heat. Okay, so the hand lose heat. Can I put full stop? Can put full stop or not? Cannot, right? Can you tell me what's missing? What is missing here? Good, Jia Ping. The rest? Hand lose heat. Yingfan, your first word is wrong. Your very first word is wrong. The other words are correct. Okay.